Aloha, I'm Zane Morosco.
I'm Cole Sickles.
I'm Alcohol. This is our NeuroMaker Challenge project, and we made a distance sensor with vibration feedback for individuals who are visually impaired.
We chose this type of device because we thought being able to detect an object near without being able to see would be helpful for visually impaired people, and our main inspiration was Spidey sense, actually.
The materials we used to create this device include an ultrasonic distance sensor, Arduino board, a breadboard for prototyping, a haptic feedback vibration motor, a hat, and standard Arduino wirings. Our code we used to detect objects was if something was a certain distance or less, it would vibrate the motor.
We first started experimenting with code in Tinkercad, but later moved on to C++ as it was easier to better define what we needed for it to work.
We spent the majority of our time getting the distance sensor to actually sense the distance and report it to the vibration motor.
After we got everything working, we hot glued the device to build a hat and started testing.
Tests involved walking around blindfolded to see if the device was of any assistance, and sure enough, for the first couple of tests, we ran into some issues.
We kept experimenting and changing the distance to report a signal, and eventually got it to a level where it could alert you accurately.
Our hat works by using ultrasonic distance sensor, which constantly sends out sound waves waiting for a rebound to read its distance and measuring its time to have a distance. We have ours set to 200 centimeters, so approximately 200 centimeters from this wall will alert me of its location, which is about right here.
Who's in here?
Basically, it's buzzing, and I just walk sideways. It stopped buzzing, there's a doorway in front of here.
There's gotta be a wall over there also.
Some flaws of this hat: since it's used sound to measure distance, it works poorly on objects that absorb sound, surfaces that direct sound in different directions, such as corners, and objects with low surface area.
To counteract these flaws in future models, we would use LiDAR sensors as they have a much easier time detecting a wider range of objects.
Thank you
Thank
for
you
watching.
for watching.